Shreyas Iyer has responded to criticism from former cricketers regarding his struggle with bouncers, stating that opinions should be shared privately. Iyer, recently recalled to the ODI squad, emphasized that criticism should come from those who have faced similar challenges on the field. India faces England in a 5-match T20I series starting 22 January at Eden Gardens. Hardik Pandya returns after 6 months and aims for a historic milestone, needing just 11 wickets to become the first Indian with 100 T20I wickets. Arshdeep Singh is close behind. England's head coach Brendan McCullum has backed under-pressure Indian coach Gautam Gambhir ahead of the T20I series. Despite India's recent defeats, McCullum believes Gambhir will bring out the best in his players as the team prepares for the ICC Champions Trophy 2025. Mohammad Shami is set to return to international cricket after more than a year on the sidelines due to an ankle injury. The pacer has been recalled for the T20I series against England and has impressed coaches with his dedication during rehabilitation. In a poignant farewell, cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar bid adieu to his illustrious career at Wankhede Stadium, scoring 74 runs. Overcome with emotion, he reflected on having his mother present for his final game, making it a deeply personal and unforgettable moment. Shreyas Iyer discusses his standout World Cup performance, highlighting his 82 runs against Sri Lanka. The middle-order batter emphasizes overcoming criticism and recovering from injury. Iyer finished the tournament with 530 runs, showcasing his resilience and commitment to the team. India's vice-captain Axar Patel addressed the ongoing support staff controversy, affirming confidence in their abilities for the white ball format. He emphasized flexibility in batting positions for the upcoming T20I series against England, highlighting the need for quick, situational decisions during matches. Legendary cricketer Sunil Gavaskar showcased his dance moves to Om Shanti Om during Wankhede Stadium's 50th anniversary celebration, joined by cricket icons like Sachin Tendulkar and Rohit Sharma. The event honored the stadium's rich legacy in Indian cricket history. Virat Kohli is set to play in the Ranji Trophy, marking his first appearance in over 12 years, as he aims to secure his central contract. Rohit Sharma has also confirmed his participation, highlighting a shift among top players towards domestic commitments. In a bold move, Sanjeev Goenka announced Rishabh Pant as the new captain of Lucknow Super Giants ahead of IPL 2025. Pant, signed for a record 27 crore rupees, replaces KL Rahul after a disappointing season. Goenka believes Pant can lead LSG to their first IPL title.